The blinking orange light on your Rogers router indicates a problem with the wide area network connection, meaning your router isn't receiving a stable internet signal. This is a common issue and often fixable with some basic troubleshooting. Think of it like this. Solid white means a healthy connection. Blinking orange means a signal problem, and red usually signals a total failure. Rogers' internal data suggests that user-side errors like loose cables are responsible for 90% of the issues. Don't panic. Let's go through how to resolve it. Start by performing a power cycle. Unplug your Rogers router and modem, if separate, for 30 seconds. Then plug the modem back in first. Wait for it to fully power on, and then plug in the router. Next, check all connections. Make sure all cables, especially the coaxial cable, are securely connected to both the router and the wall. Replace any damaged or old cables if necessary. Check for firmware updates. Use the Rogers app or web portal to see if there are any available updates for your router, and install them if needed. Finally, use the Rogers app diagnostics. The AI-powered troubleshooting tool within the Rogers Ignite app can automatically detect and fix some issues. If the problem persists, contact Rogers support or check for network outages in your area.